Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shree. Today we are going to make coffee banana smoothie. To make this recipe we need 2 bananas, 3 to 4 dates, 1 teaspoon peanut butter, 1 teaspoon honey, sugar, milk 1 cup, 1 tablespoon coffee powder. Let's begin the recipe. Take a mixie jar and add all the ingredients. Add ice cubes. However, ice cubes are optional. Then blend till everything gets combined. Pour it into the glasses. Garnish it with some coffee powder. Coffee banana smoothie is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.